Standard First. Subject English. Chapter This is my head. Hi children. Today we will learn about parts of our body with the help of a wonderful poem. So let's start reciting the poem. These are my fingers and these are my toes. This is my head and this is my nose. These are my ears. On my head at the side. These are my eyes. I can open them wide. This is my mouth and here are my teeth. These are my knees and my feet are beneath. I can wave my arms and wiggle my nose. I can stretch my arms and touch my eyes. I can hold my hands together and then it's time to start all over again. Wasn't it fun? Yes, ma'am, it was. Now let's do some activities. One by one, you will show me the body parts which I ask. Show me your head. Show me your nose. Show me your knees. Show me your hands. Show me your toes. Show me your eyes. Show me your ears. Show me your mouth. Show me your teeth. Show me your legs. Very good. Now let's learn the names of our body parts in English as well as in Marathi. Head, डोके. Eyes, डोळे. Ears, कान. Teeth, दात. Mouth, तोंड. Fingers, बोटे. Nose, नाक. Hands, हाथ. Children, remember these names very well. Toes, पायाची बोटे. Knees, गुडघे. Feet, पावले. Arm, हात, दंड. Goodbye.